Hello, Sim Tech was new product in from Humixx and it's an iPhone 14 Pro kit. So it's a 5-month protection kit, but you can get for other devices as well. So we're going to show you what you get inside. So it comes in this nice presentation here. And let's open up and show you what's inside. So you've got your lifetime warranty card. You've got your installation toolkit, so it's wet wipes, sticky labels, dust remover, stickers and dry wipes. So you get 2 of those. And you can scan that barcode for installation instructions as well. So we also get 2 screen protectors, which is really cool. So if you happen to break one, you have got 2. So you've got both there, which is nice. You also get these here, which I think is cool, and I highly recommend anyone with an iPhone to get is this pack here, which will protect your lenses, because one of mine packed in on my previous iPhone last year, the 13 Pro, and that will simply pop on the back like so and just cover the lens like that. So that's nice to see. And of course you get the case itself, which is really nice looking too. It's kind of a smoky finish there, but still transparent, and that's what it looks like there. So first up, we will show you this guy here and pop it on. So just pop out of that like so, and then give your lens a good clean. Get it faced around the right way and pop it on like that, and that will automatically protect your lens, and you can see it just slots over the existing hump that's there. So just give you a closer look like so. That's it, job is done. Then we pop on our case, and you can see it still doesn't stick out over the actual hump on the back of the case here as well, so it's protected in more ways than one, and that's what it will look like on the back of the phone there, which is pretty cool. You've got your buttons on the side, all works well. It's going to unlock, so your buttons work fine there, and you can see all works no problem. You've also got a nice lip around the front too, so your device can be placed down this way or it can be placed that way, which is fine. So it's a nice addition to have these lens protectors in here, and they give you 2 of everything, which is really nice. So next up, screen protector, and let's give it a clean. So you've got all the information in here, plus you've got your barcode and all the other little bits and pieces in here. So we'll just take out what's inside. Something else stuck down the bottom there. Okay, so sticky labels. It's got your wet wipes and you've got your cleaning cloth here. So we'll just take out the yellow wet wipe and rub over. Give it a good clean. Then we'll give it a rub. So then you've got your sticky labels to pull off any dust or anything that might be there, like so, and job is done. So you will get your screen protector next. Pop it off, drop it on, We're pretty handy this now because we've done them so many times, and you can see there it's fit no problem at all, and that's pretty much it. So then you'll want to know next if the case fits, and it does, and you can still see you've got a lip around there too, which is fine. So the only thing now to check for is wireless charging, and we need to get in position, and there we have got charging there, so it's all working perfectly fine. So that basically wraps it up for the Humixx iPhone 14 Pro kit. Do check it out, looks really nice, protects your device completely, and as you can see there, your lenses are protected, corners are all protected, buttons are nice and raised there and they work really well. Your ports are all accessible at the bottom, all done like that, and you can see there's still plenty of a lip at the front there to keep your device safe, be it down this way or this way. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.